Welcome to the world of Duncan Hines German chocolate cake mix. Today, we are diving into a delicious treat that combines rich flavors with a touch of health. This cake mix is known for its unique twist. It features coconut and healthy fats. Let's explore what makes this cake mix special. First, let's talk about the flavor. German chocolate cake is famous for its rich chocolate base. It is often layered with a sweet coconut and pecan frosting. Duncan Hines has taken this classic favorite and made it easy to prepare. With just a few simple steps, you can enjoy this delightful cake at home. Now, let's focus on the ingredients. One of the standout features of this cake mix is the inclusion of coconut. Coconut adds a delightful texture and flavor. It is sweet and slightly chewy. This ingredient gives the cake a tropical flair. The combination of chocolate and coconut creates a harmonious blend that is hard to resist. Another important aspect is the use of healthy fats. Duncan Hines has made a conscious effort to include healthier options in their cake mix. Instead of relying solely on traditional fats, they incorporate healthier alternatives. This approach helps create a cake that is not only delicious, but also a bit more nutritious. When you bake with Duncan Hines German chocolate cake mix, you are not just making a dessert. You are creating a moment to share with friends and family. Whether it's a birthday celebration, a holiday gathering, or just a cozy night in, this cake brings people together. The aroma of baking chocolate fills the kitchen, inviting everyone to come and enjoy. Preparing the cake is simple. Start by preheating your oven. Then gather your ingredients. You will need the cake mix, eggs, water, and oil. Follow the instructions on the box for the best results. As you mix the ingredients, you will notice the rich chocolate color. It is exciting to see the batter come together. Once the cake is in the oven, the real magic begins. You can enjoy the delightful smell wafting through your home. It is hard to resist the temptation to sneak a taste. The cake bakes to perfection, creating a moist and fluffy texture. After baking, it is time to frost. The traditional frosting for German chocolate cake is made with coconut and pecans. You can make your own frosting or use a store-bought option. Either way, the frosting adds an extra layer of sweetness. Spread it generously on top of the cooled cake. It is the perfect finishing touch. Now, let's consider some fun variations. You can add different toppings to personalize your cake. Try adding fresh berries for a burst of color, or sprinkle some extra coconut on top for an added crunch. The possibilities are endless. Get creative and make this cake your own. Duncan Hines German chocolate cake mix is more than just a dessert. It is a chance to create memories. Bake it for a special occasion or just because you want a treat. Each slice is a delightful combination of chocolate, coconut, and healthy fats. In conclusion, Duncan Hines German chocolate cake mix offers a delicious and convenient way to enjoy this classic dessert. With its rich flavors and healthier ingredients, it is a treat that can be enjoyed by everyone. So why not give it a try? You might just find your new favorite cake mix. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you feel inspired to bake and share this wonderful cake. Appreciate your viewership. Like and subscribe for upcoming videos.